Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to recover deleted WhatsApp chats without backup. So let me show you the steps you can follow. So the first one is you can choose a reliable data recovery tool. Like there are several software options available such as this one, Data Recovery Android or DriveKit. From there, you can recover your data. The second one is connect your device to your computer. Use a device USB cable to connect your Android phone to your computer and connect your iPhone to your computer if you're using an iOS device recovery tool. Then initiate a scan, and then once the scan is complete, the software should allow you to preview the recoverable data, including deleted WhatsApp messages and attachments. You can then select the specific messages or chats you want to recover and initiate the recovery process. And consider potential limitations, like it's important to understand that the data recovery success is not guaranteed. The chances of recovery depends on the factors like how long ago the messages are deleted, whether the data has been overwritten, and the specific tool used. To maximize your chances of recovery, avoid using your phone heavily after the deletion, as the new data returned to your phone can override the deleted messages. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.